In this tutorial, I will be showing you how to connect to Java servers from Bedrock. To start, click on the first link in the description, or go to GeyserMC.org. Click on Downloads at the top right. Of your options, click on Geyser.jar and save it to your desktop. Once the download is finished, make a new folder, and you can call it whatever. Place the jar file in this folder, and then run it. This will generate the files you need. Once it's finished, close Geyser, then open the config file it made. I recommend opening it in Notepad++, but Microsoft Notepad works too. For the Bedrock settings, you want to keep everything here as is. Don't bother touching this. Except the MOTD. You can change that to a fun message if you want, and it'll show up on the Join Server tab. Now move on to the remote settings. Under Address, type in the server you want to connect to. For this example, I will be joining the Shotcut network. You might have heard of them from their Minecraft recreation of DayZ. Leave the port and the authentication type alone for now. Now save your changes. We're also going to want a batch file to run everything. Start by making a new text document in the folder. Open it up and paste this string of text into it. You can copy it from the description. Instead of normally saving it, click Save As. You can name this anything, but you'll need to save it as a batch file. Just set the Save As type to all files and add the extension .bat to the end of the file name, and save this. And just like that, you're already done. Just open the batch file to run Geyser. Join from the Friends tab, log into your Java account, and you're in. Now if you're satisfied with this, that's awesome. Enjoy playing on your favorite Java servers from your phone or TV screen. You can show your gratitude by subscribing. It's not like it costs you anything. But perhaps the problem is that you and your friend are playing on different editions, and buying another Java account is the issue you're trying to avoid. Well, have no fear. I'm going to quickly run down how you can join servers without the Java login. Keep in mind this won't work on just any server. It has to be one you run yourself. Open back up the Geyser config file. Scroll down to Remote Settings, and change auth-type to offline. And don't forget to change the server's address to the public IP address. This will stop Geyser from asking Bedrock users to log in with their Java accounts. Unfortunately, this alone doesn't allow anyone to join Java servers on Bedrock accounts, since any public server will refuse the connection because it will have invalid session ID. However, we can force the server that you own to skip the session ID check of Bedrock players. As the server host, pull up the server you want Bedrock clients to connect to. Open the server.properties file. Locate online mode and set it to false. Now save. And that's done. Keep in mind that this isn't a secure method of hosting a server, and since there's no authentication process, skins won't be available. Also, since Bedrock and Java are ultimately different variations of Minecraft, the Geyser package translator won't be perfect, but it'll be close. But other than that, that'll be it from me. Be sure to check the comments for troubleshooting, or to leave feedback in this video if the like and dislike buttons aren't enough for you. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you again soon.